That's how they play here, though. They don't really have an out in here. I had just for show. Like when they play in here, they don't have an out. You run into the wall, you out. They play the ball off of the wall in here. Like if you dribbling that way, they're bouncing off the wall to themselves. Oh, net.
Anybody want to score, you walk all day.